So I've just come back from grocery shopping, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I picked up. Nothing crazy, but these are like my regular things that I eat, so let's go. Right, so I'm just gonna show you what I picked up from Morrison's. So I don't go to Morrison's often, so when I do, I like to, you know, not go crazy, but you know, see what they have. So I picked up these British pork boneless loins, so I would just have that with vegetables. So I got that. Then I also got mince. This is only 5% because obviously lower fat, the better it's for you. So I got that as well. Then I picked up some things for the loo. Nothing interesting. So I'll move those. Then I also picked up this speed mop because I had a mop head, but when I moved, I threw it away and I had like the bucket and everything. So I just got this. I think it's easy to use. It comes with like 4 cloths, I think. Yeah, I'll see how it goes. I don't know how hard it can be to figure it out, so I've got that. Then I also picked up this storage thing. I think I might put rice in here, sugar or rice, I'm not sure, just for the aesthetic. Then I picked up these 2 drinks, BCAA. I don't even know what that is, but my boyfriend recommends to have it before the gym, after the gym, during your workout if you want. I think it's meant to like release energy. I think it's amino acids or something like that. So yeah, I got those. So I'm trying to be healthy and trying to go to the gym more. I picked up this cleaning spray. It looked really nice. It's passion fruit disinfectant spray and it's like antibacterial, which is great. And then also picked up these vitamin drinks as well. It's got iron in and it's dragon fruit flavor, which I love dragon fruit, so that'll be nice. It's got iron, vitamins, minerals, vitamin C, yeah, all of that stuff, which is really good. And then also picked up these scent boosters. This is what will make your stuff smell amazing, your laundry, so add these. Then I picked up some protein yogurts. I get these all the time, 20 grams of protein. It's just a snack. It's better to have than chocolate, I guess, and it's protein, so yeah, got that. Then I bought some kitchen towels because I needed some tea towels, some napkins, and they go with the kitchen. And then I also picked up some flowers, which I'm going to put in my vase in a minute. And yeah, I don't know what these are called. I've never heard of alstromerias, but they're really, really cute. So I picked up these flowers. Yeah. So yeah, that's my shopping. Nothing crazy. Oh, and some black bags. But yeah, that's my grocery shopping. I'm just going to put everything away now and then I'll speak soon. Excuse my appearance, but I am just going to start cleaning the flat now. It needs some cleaning, clean house, clean mind. So I need to make sure my mind is in the right space. Sunday is always the day where I clean if I don't have work or freelance or anything like that. So yeah, let's clean up. you.